Hi, I'm James Dean from the Toowoomba franchise. We bought into Integrity New Homes at the start of 2021, I think, pre-COVID. And yeah, it's been an interesting journey so far. So the transition for me, it was pretty seamless. I had been doing a lot of renovations prior to buying into the franchise, and the systems and everything that Integrity New Homes has in place worked really well to transition into our business because we were looking at breaking into that new home market. And yeah, the systems that they have in place really helped the transition through and moving forward. I personally find the service hub invaluable. Like it is awesome for my business. We utilise nearly every aspect of it with the drafting team, the marketing team, and the estimating team, and they are just a source of non-stop knowledge for us, and they've helped our business dramatically. For me, being in the franchise group, it's about the community of builders that we've got. Here, everyone's willing to help each other out with any questions and all that sort of stuff. And the community group we've got's really good. And getting together at the conferences and networking with the other builders has been, it's been an awesome experience. If you were thinking about joining the Integrity franchise, I would personally highly recommend it. It's been an awesome experience from our side of view, and it's helped step our business up and moving forward into the future.